Welcome guys to another broker review. Today it's all about Vantage FX. In this video I will show you the broker and we will find out if it's a scam or not. Should you invest your money with this broker or not? I will tell you that in this video. Yes, Vantage FX is an Australian broker. It's a real ECN broker. I will show you that in a second. And you can trade here more than 50 currency pairs. You can trade some CFDs and shares and commodities. I will show you that in the trading platform soon. They offer the Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 trading platform. But first of all, we should look about the regulation of the broker. It's very important to look that the broker got an official regulation. We can look at here about us. There can you see, where was it? Who is Vantage FX? It's a regulated broker. You can see it here. Regulated by the ASIC. You can also see that in the footer of the broker. It's regulated by the Australian Securities and Investment Commissions, ASIC. This is a very important regulations. There are some restrictions for the brokers to use and they are very safe with it. Why you should choose Vantage FX, I will show you that also. I think, in my opinion, I think Vantage FX is one of the safest brokers in the world. I will show you that as the page is loading. Welcome to the regulation page. You can see here there are some different regulations. The ASIC regulated, as I mentioned before, and you can see that they use the National Australia Bank for the clients' funds. This is one of the biggest banks of the world with more than 93 billion capitalization in the financial markets and more than 12 million customers. It's a very safe point of this broker that they use this bank. They also transfer the clients' funds and the company's funds. You can see that they are audited and regulated, watched and approved by the KPMG. This is a global network of professional firms providing audit. That's also another point. What seems to me that Vantage FX is a very secure broker and a very recommended broker. And there is indemnity insurance with more than some millions. Actually, I don't see it. I read it on other page. I think there are a lot of millions with this safety here, this point of safety. And yes, in my opinion, Vantage FX is one of the safest brokers in the world. You can look at here by the license and liquidity partners. This looks very good and I like it a lot that they show us transparent their regulations and their customer funds and so on. Yes, as mentioned before, Vantage FX is a real ECN broker. You can see the liquidity partners here, JP Goldman Sachs and UBS and more partners. That's also important for me because I want a real ECN broker. From my experience, I know there are some brokers who are faking the ECN model, but I'm sure that this broker don't do this because you can see here the liquidity providers. Yes, let's have a look on the different accounts. You can open here different accounts. Forex accounts. The minimum deposit of this broker is $200. You can see it here on every page, leverage 500 to 1, and the spreads are starting from 0.0. Yes, let's have a look on here. There are some different account models. The normal standard STP account you can open with $200. It's a spread account. STP is the spread account. You pay zero commissions. The spreads are starting from 1.4 pips. The raw ECN account, you can see it here, can start with $500. I will show you that in my account, in my live raw ECN account, that you got there the best conditions, and you trade only $3 per lot size. Yes, there is also the option to get a better commission if you deposit $20,000 or more in this account. You can trade with a pro ECN account and may pay less commissions. These are the three account models. In my opinion, the raw ECN account is the best account for the most traders. And yeah, to start trading here, you will find the link in the description below of this broker for register your new account. Yeah, let's have a look on the deposit and withdrawal options. There are some different options. It's very easy to, where was it? Here. It's easy to deposit and to withdraw because there are zero fees, no hidden fees with this broker. You can see here you can use a credit card, bank wire. You can use some online wallets like Skrill, Neteller, and Broker to transfer. It's very safe here, and you pay zero commissions or zero fees. Withdrawal also, yes, zero fees here, and you can see here the options for withdrawals. Yes, yeah, let's have a look on the trading platform. I'm already logged in the Vantage FX live account. You can see it here in the left corner, upper corner. It's a live account here. I will show you the ECN raw spreads. I'm in the Euro US dollar and I will open a new order. You can see here actual the spread is by 0.0 or 0.1 in the ECN account, the Euro US dollar, and it's very low. These are the raw ECN spreads, yes, the real ECN spreads, and I will show you the order book depth of market. You can see it here. That shows me that it's a real ECN broker. You can see it here, depth of the market, which volume you can trade at the price. It shows here like 50 lots or more. At the moment it's in the evening and the market is closed in a moment, so the liquidity is not that high. In normal trading sessions there's a little bit higher liquidity, but I think this is okay for you. Yeah, let's have a look on the other instruments. Let's have a look on the gold US dollar. We can look here. There the spread is also very cheap. You can see it here. It's only 2 pips in the gold account. I have to mention, yeah, it's in the evening, so the spread is a little bit higher than to normal trading sessions, especially for CFDs when the market is closed down, got higher spreads. Let's have a look on the pound US dollar. It's also an important currency pair. We open the new order book and you can see the spread is quite low at 0.2 or 0.1. That's the best, one of the best conditions for traders, I think, and you pay very cheap commissions with this broker. Vantage FX. Overall, it's a very good broker. I think you have good commissions. Let's have a look on here again on the web page. The web page is translated in different languages. They offer you a 24/5 support chat phone. And if you got questions, you can use the team viewer option that the support can log into your computer and show you something if you need help. In conclusion, you can see the best conditions here, 0.0 spreads, liquidity providers, best execution, super support, no conflict on interests, and it's regulated, yes. Vantage FX, in my opinion, is one of the best Forex brokers, and yes, you are welcome. You will find the link in the description below for your demo account. Just start it, click on the link below and open your real account. And start trading with less commissions, the best broker. And that was the video. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let's see us in the next video. Goodbye.